Okay, this is a quick video on how to get into the hidden service menu. So turn the engine on or turn the system on. Okay, so make sure it says audio off. If it is not off, you're probably on a radio or something, music. So make sure it's off, press the off button, and then go into menu, display, and you're going to screen off. As soon as you do that, you press channel 5 times, track 5 times, and we shall see it come up. When we're ready, here we go. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now to get out of this, you need to turn the engine off, and then it will actually turn off. Let's have a look what's in here. Failure diagnosis, system check. Okay. Back. Storage check. Okay. Interesting. Function check setting. Probably drive-by-wire technology. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? So there's a microphone in the car. That I didn't know. Oh yeah, it does. It's got that auto sound play. Cool. Nice. The battery voltage 11.8. Nice. That's a DAB, digital radio. Denso. Denso heavy technologies. Closed area network, CAN. Cool. Maybe one day I'll get into car hacking. Nice. Okay. Now to get out of this, I haven't started the engine yet, so I've got to press and then it turns off. Great. See you in the next one.